What's up, guys? Today we're just taking a quick look at this Bear Cruzer bow. Been using this for about the last 2 years or so. Done a bunch of hunting with it, done a bunch of target practice, and this thing is holding up super well. As you can see, the paint, the camo looks pretty much as good as the first day that I got it. And overall, the strings, everything are just doing incredibly well. What I really like about this thing though is this sight right here. You have a little 4-pin sight, absolutely essential for hunting and target practice, and works really well, super adjustable. Just a really nice sight that comes with it right off the bat. The strings are also really nice. They're adjustable, so you can play with the poundage of your bow and dial that in correctly for your size and weight and everything. Also really love this stabilizer. Really nice and handy for balancing the overall weight of the bow and dialing in your grip and fit and all that good stuff. But overall, yeah, just a super nice bow. Like I said, been using it for about a couple years now and absolutely love it. So if you're looking for a great bow to start out with, or if you're just intermediate or looking for a really solid bow, highly recommend it. As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.